Alright, welcome back. Today we're going to work on hooking the kill switch up. Got Kelby out here with me. You want to say hi, Kelby?
Hi.
He's the one you always see riding around on the go-kart. He wanted to come out and help. So what we're going to do is today we're going to hook up the kill switch. I don't have a garage or my pole barn built yet, so we do all the work outside. Sorry for the wind noise. It's a really windy day out here today. So I'm going to show you what we're going to do here real quick. Here's some of the parts we have collected that we need to do on it. I did get the clutch in. Right now we're going to worry about the kill switch and this, and then I did get my spark plug that I want to change out because I don't like the other one. So what we're going to do is we got a mount right here. That's where we're going to mount the kill switch, and then I'm going to run the wires through the center here, because back here on the Predator you can unplug this wire right here. You unplug that and then we hook into that, and that'll be for the kill switch. You can see the oil pressure sensor back there. I already got that wire cut because I want to be able to turn this thing without that thing cutting off. So I'm going to go ahead and get to work on hooking this up. Okay, now we got Kelby. He's going to go ahead and he's going to put that switch in real quick. Go ahead and put it in. Basically he's putting it through the hole, and then he's putting the nut on. And then we'll have that mounted, and then we'll be able to run our wires.
I can't twist it.
You'll get it.
Curse my large fingers. It's in an angle.
Okay, now Kelby's got that mounted up. What we're going to do is we're going to run the wire down to there, and we're going to run it underneath the seat all the way back to those wires. So when we come back, we'll show you what we did on that. Okay, we got it hooked up. I ended up running the wire a different way because I didn't want to go down right through there, because I figured we'd hit it with our feet and pull it out. So I ran it down this bar here, then we ran it down underneath, then we ran it through there, then we went all the way back here, then made our connection right here. You don't have to cut no wires or anything. All you gotta do is stick your wire in there, make sure it works, and then crimp it. That's as simple as that. Okay, we're gonna fire it up here. We're gonna go up to Kelby here with a cool camera. Go ahead and film. So now we got the kill switch hooked up. We'll move on to the next project. Alright, now I'm gonna change the spark plug in this. This is gonna be the last thing I'm gonna do for today. It's getting really hot and humid out here. The wind's picking up, and we got a line of storms coming in, so I just want to get this plug swapped out, make sure it fires up with that, and then we're going to call it a day and put the tarp over it. So let's go ahead and get this plug changed out. Of course, changing out a spark plug is pretty simple. Lefty loosey, righty tighty is all you got to do. I figured this would be a fun little project for my boy and I to do. We're having a great time with it. He's not out here right now. He wanted to take a break because of the heat. Don't blame him with the wind and everything. It's pretty bad out here right now. Okay, so we got the spark plug out that I didn't like. Now, I know everybody has opinions, and automotive parts are all like that. I'm an NGK fan, so I put NGKs in everything. I've never had an issue with them, but like I said, you know, everybody has their own personal preference with auto parts. Get this in, and we'll go ahead and fire this puppy up. We'll test that kill switch one more time, and we'll call it a day. Okay, we got the spark plug back in. I'm just going to put the spark plug wire back on. And then we're going to fire it up and see if it starts again. Okay, we're going to fire it up here real quick. Fired right up. Hit the kill switch, and we're all good. Thank you all for coming along on the journey of the go-karts with Kelby and I. This is a fun thing for us to do together as father and son. Like I said, my daughter likes these things too, so she'll be coming out sometime with us too. Well, that's all I got for today. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you all on the next one.